Are you tired of the constant arguments? Do you feel like no matter what you try, you're stuck in a cycle of conflict with your partner? You're not alone. Relationship struggles are frustrating, emotionally draining, and leave many people feeling hopeless. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. In today's video, we'll dive into how you can break free from that cycle of conflict, rebuild trust, and deepen the intimacy in your relationship. Stick with me, because what you're about to learn can completely transform your relationship. Before we dive in, if you're ready to start building a stronger, healthier connection today, I've got something special for you. My relationship conflict resolution course is available now at a limited time price of just $297, down from $497. It's packed with over 4.5 hours of actionable video content, plus you'll get lifetime access, a private Facebook support group, and a free copy of my ebook. Check out the link in the description below to sign up before the price goes back up. Relationships can be one of the most rewarding parts of life, but when conflict arises, it can feel like everything is falling apart. Whether you're dealing with small misunderstandings or major disagreements, unresolved conflict can lead to feelings of resentment, distance, and sometimes even the end of a relationship. So, what's really going on here? Why do some couples keep having the same arguments over and over again? One of the biggest issues is that we often misinterpret what our partner is saying. We bring assumptions and emotional baggage from past experiences into the conversation, leading to misunderstandings. We react based on our own perceptions rather than what's actually being said. Let's break that cycle today by understanding two of the biggest silent relationship killers: misinterpretations and assumptions. Here's a quick example. Have you ever been in a conversation where you felt your partner wasn't listening or didn't care about your feelings? You might have assumed they were being neglectful or dismissive, but in reality, they might have just been stressed, distracted, or dealing with their own internal struggles. This is where clarity becomes essential. One of the most powerful strategies I teach in my course is how to stop making assumptions and instead ask for clarification. By learning to communicate more effectively, you can prevent a small disagreement from turning into a full-blown argument. And if you want to dive deeper into these strategies, now's the perfect time to sign up for my Relationship Conflict Resolution course. For just $297, you'll get access to all the tools you need to improve communication, resolve conflicts peacefully, and strengthen your relationship. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link in the description to get started today. Let's talk about trust. When conflicts go unresolved, trust starts to break down, and that's when things can spiral out of control. But here's the thing. Trust can be rebuilt. One of the biggest insights from my course is that trust doesn't just happen. It's built through consistent actions, open communication, and showing your partner that their feelings matter. In my course, you'll learn how to identify and break down the emotional barriers that have been keeping you apart. You'll get practical exercises to help you and your partner reconnect emotionally and rebuild the trust that's been damaged. You'll also gain insights into how stress, past experiences, and different communication styles affect your relationship dynamic. Understanding these factors is crucial for navigating difficult moments with patience and empathy. Instead of letting stress or emotional baggage take control, you'll learn how to recognize and address the root causes behind your reactions and your partner's responses, allowing for more productive and compassionate conversations. One of the key strategies we cover is how to actively listen and truly hear what your partner is saying, without jumping to conclusions or reacting out of defensiveness. You'll discover how powerful it is to create a safe space where both of you can express yourselves freely, which in turn strengthens the emotional bond and builds a foundation of trust. And it's not just about conflict resolution, it's about creating the kind of relationship where both partners feel valued, respected, and heard. Through the exercises and tools in the course, you'll start to notice more positive interactions, better communication, and a renewed sense of connection with your partner, helping you grow together, not apart. So, if you're serious about making a change in your relationship, now is the time to act. For just $297, down from $497, you'll get lifetime access to the Relationship Conflict Resolution course, a private Facebook group, and bonus downloadable materials, including my best-selling ebook. Click the link in the description below to enroll today and start your journey toward a more peaceful, connected relationship. Remember, the price will go back up soon, so don't wait. Take control of your relationship, break the cycle of conflict, and build a future filled with trust and intimacy. Click the link below to join the course today. Get lifetime access, a free ebook, and more. Don't miss out. Start transforming your relationship now.